I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a hood. First, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear, such as gloves and eye protection, before you begin any work. Next, gather all the necessary tools you'll need, which typically include a set of wrenches, screwdrivers, and possibly a measuring tape. Finally, take a moment to identify the specific type of hood you are working on, as adjustment methods can vary slightly. Begin by thoroughly inspecting the hood for any existing damage, dents, or obvious misalignment that might affect the adjustment process. Next, carefully locate all the hinge and latch fasteners that secure the hood to its mounting points. These are the bolts or screws you will be adjusting. Once located, use the appropriate tool to loosen these fasteners just enough to allow the hood to move freely, but not so much that it becomes completely detached. Now, with the fasteners slightly loosened, gently reposition the hood to achieve the desired alignment. Pay close attention to the gaps around all the edges of the hood, ensuring they are consistent and even on both sides. You might need to make small, incremental adjustments. Once you are satisfied with the alignment, begin to gradually tighten the fasteners, continuously checking the hood's position to prevent it from shifting out of place. After tightening all the fasteners, perform a final check to ensure the hood opens and closes smoothly without any binding or excessive force. Double-check that all the bolts and screws are securely tightened to their proper specifications, preventing any future movement or rattling. Your hood should now be perfectly aligned and secure. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help simplify your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.